PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
You pull back and forth, and everyone shifts to one side. Are you feeling this way? Is this how it feels? Let me teach you a technique. Look, do you push a little harder here? That's right, unless there are 3 fewer players on that side. But at the very top, you need to shift your left hip over. Right now, you're always leaning on this leg. What is meant by center of gravity transfer? It's the right leg. You've made it this far. Do you get it? Right. What's your current condition? You're leaning to one side and flicking the ball over. My body isn't moving. Is it high? Yes, it is. It is low. My body hasn't moved, right? I'm just relying on my fingers. The index finger leads the shot. Engage the index finger. It is low. Simple. So easy. Pull up. Pull down. It's very simple. Your thumb and these 3 fingers need to apply force when pulling the ball. However, they are only responsible for snapping with force. Got it. Understood. But the index finger is flexible. It can control the angle of the paddle and the tip of the paddle. So during the pulling process, I want to give it a higher arc. Add more arc. My index finger can lift it a bit. If I want to keep this arc lower, to prevent it from going out, then I can bring my index finger in a bit. Understood. Let's go. Is your shoulder coming over? Then, isn't that good? No need. Then I'll also turn this shoulder. It's because the side hip is closing in. What are you doing now? As I see the ball coming, look at me. I'm just rotating. Let's go. Let's go. Do you think I have a swing initiation? Do I have a swing initiation? But I don't have a swing initiation. This racket, didn't it go off target? Gave it some room. Didn't this create space? Did it not create space? Then, isn't that good? I think your shot lacks stability. Do you think there could be a spin? It's impossible to generate spin. Is this spin good? The spin has been created, right? But can you see if the spin has been created? Do you think this arc is stable? Is this stable? Just to demonstrate, right? It's so obvious. How do we put the material on? Is this arc good? Then show me the arc. You went up too much. Forward and outward. Where is the outside? Forward and outward. Aim forward and outward. Yes, aim forward and outward. On the contrary, do you see the curve? Is the curve from your upward motion? Or is it due to the friction with the ball, creating the spin? Oh, how does the spin come? By pushing outward and rotating. Do you understand? The thumb should rotate forward and outward. In addition to the strength from the core pushing the hand, this is power. Do you understand? The core does not generate spin and arc effectively. The racket generates the spin applied to the ball. Do you understand? Touch your left foot and move out smoothly. Touch your left foot and move out smoothly. Touch your left foot and move out smoothly. When you touch your left foot and pivot on your toes. Once aligned, moving in any direction becomes very natural. Right, because table tennis involves lateral movement that shifts your center of gravity. It always shifts from one leg to the other. Right, so you can only make adjustments after you've finished with the other leg. Then you can start adjusting yourself again. So, getting on your toes is very important. Let me give you an example. Just return with your forehand. Why? After all, you're just coming back to this leg, back to this position. It doesn't matter. But this board is done. The next board isn't. Oh, if you don't return to a neutral stance on your toes, what will you do when you're behind? Right, the backhand is unpredictable. You need to be closer to your body. Is the quality high? What does high quality mean? How do you produce high quality? It's too far. Do you understand? You are reaching out to touch this ball. You definitely can't reach it. Yes, you need to be closer to your body. You need to position yourself closer. Is this of high quality? What happens if I step back? Just push it away. And it's easy to lose your breath. Isn't it easy to lose your breath? Wow. You're too far away again, buddy. A bit better. Are you hitting while the ball is going up? Is it still possible to hit while the ball is on the rise? Exactly, it's not about hitting while the ball is rising. Look. How do you execute this shot? Wait for it to drop. See, wait for it to come down before you hit. Right? It's still the same action. Okay, try to hit when it drops to its lowest point. Good. Try to keep it to a minimum. Good. Can it drop to the minimum? Yes, just don't let it go too low. Good. The lowest point of the short ball should be slightly higher. But a bit higher than that. Are you following the ball up to serve or waiting for it to drop? It should fall to a point slightly higher than where you serve long. Not just when you call for a short serve. Do you understand what I mean? But, let it drop to here. Then I'll serve a short one. Now, it's a long one. Got it. It's all about making contact with the ball during the drop. Don't think that when I mention a short serve. Alright, you fool. Is that so? Or should we wait for it to drop? Let's go. Is your shoulder coming over? Then, isn't that good? No need. Then I'll also turn this shoulder. It's because the side hip is closing in. What are you doing now? As I see the ball coming. Look at me. I'm just rotating. Let's go. Let's go. Do you think I have a swing initiation? Do I have a swing initiation? But I don't have a swing initiation. This racket. Didn't it go off target? Gave it some room. Didn't this create space? Did it not create space? Then, isn't that good?
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.